Hello, welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Version has released his first official EP titled One More Day. The EP features 9 tracks including Winter Fresh, Champion Queffa, Idle Badness, and What I'm New About. The title track, One More Day, was released back in January. One More Day also features appearances from other artists such as Governor, Gotayo, and Ghanaian dancehall and reggae artist Jupiter. Version and Jupiter collaborated on the Afrobeat-infused track titled Crazy, which shows the versatility of both artists. One More Day serves as a sneak peek, as Version will be releasing another body of work in the form of an album later this year. Dancehall artist iOctane's newly released album Love and Life has debuted at number 3 on the iTunes chart. Love and Life features 17 tracks with the addition of 2 bonus tracks produced by iOctane's own imprint label, Conquer the Globe Productions. The album was released on March 30. iOctane is currently on a promotional tour in New York. Love and Life album is available on all major digital outlets. Jamaica's annual music festival, Sumfest, has added English rapper Stefflon Don and American rapper Safari to a slew of artists who are built to perform on the show. The 2 artists will perform at Reggae Sumfest's Blitz All-Black Pre-Party. Sumfest Blitz is one of the themed parties leading up to the 2-day iconic concert on July 20 and 21 in Montego Bay. Stefflon Don is known for her hit singles Hurting Me featuring French Montana, Real Ting, and Ding-a-Ling featuring Skepta. She's also landed collaborations with The Future, Jeremiah, Halsey, Sean Paul, and J Balvin. Meanwhile, Safari is known for recently releasing his hit singles Honeyed and Paradise. The rapper is also featured on reality TV series Love and Hip Hop. Safari shares how he feels to be a part of this year's Sumfest pre-party lineup.
I gotta say, I'm more than ecstatic and excited to be a part of Reggae Sumfest this year. You know what I'm saying? I grew up watching Sumfest since I was yay tall, so for me to now be a part of it, it's a dream come true, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm booked like crazy, but Reggae Sumfest is something that I cannot turn down. Not in this life, not in the past life, not in the afterlife, alright? So you better believe I'm gonna be there in all my 100 on wrist glory. You know, and as far as my song 100, right now, it has me booked like crazy. I'm doing shows Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, every week for the next few months. So, you know, the song's blowing up, they're doing its thing, they got a nice dance on it. 100 on this, whoo, 100 on, swish, swish. You know what I'm saying? So I need everybody out there to go and support that if you don't know about it, alright? Well, 100 is doing what it gotta do, so I appreciate everybody who's been supporting the record, all the DJs, everybody, alright?
Sumfest Blitz All Black will also feature DJs Rolex, Creepchromatic, and Team Shallow. The event is scheduled to take place on July 18. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.